My name is VINOD my number 10DMT 20F1012. I'm from DMT3A. Today we are going to fix extension wire to the 3-pin plug. First step, make sure all the tools and things are in a good condition. Second step, you take the plug, unscrew the center screw on the plug. The third step is unscrew all the screws are in the plug. The fourth step is make sure the wire are in a good condition. The fifth step is identify suitable slot for the wire. Example, the green wire for earth and the brown wire goes to plain wire and the blue wire goes to neutral wire.
Hello and a very good morning to all people, especially our lecturers, friends and students. My name is MOHAMAD SYAKIRIN bin Yahaya. My number matric is 10DJL 20F1014. I come from DJL3A. Okay, let's continue the next step. At the sixth step is you take the brown wire. As you know, the brown wire is the line wire. Then you put at the whole screw and you screw it. Okay, at the seventh step is you put at the right side and you take the fuse and you put at this side. Okay, at the eighth step is the green and yellow wire. As you know, this wire is the earth wire, and you take this wire and you fix at the top of the screw. Okay, just like this, and we screw it. At the ninth step is you take the blue wire. As you know, the blue wire is the neutral wire, and you fix into the hole of the screw. After you tuck in the wire in the hole of screw and you screw it. Okay, at the last step is at the 10th step, you take the head of the plug, you close like this and you just screw to close at the head of the pin of the plug 3 pin. Okay, you screw very tight. Okay, it's finished. As you know, doing electrical stuff, related things like fixing the plug or repairing the plug, that's we must focus on the personality safety. There are safety precautions that we need to do. Is at the first, avoid water at all time when working with electrical things. Never touch or try repairing any electrical things, equipment or circuit with the wet hand. It increases the conductivity of the electric current. For example, if after you wash your hand, your hand is the wet, you trying to repair the plug. If you know, it's a very dangerous. Because why? The water is the conductivity of the electrical. And beside the water of conductivity, steel and cuprum is very dangerous. And as the conductivity of electrical. If you want to repair or fix anything, electrical things, you should not use the cuprum or steel to you touch to make the repairing the electrical stuff. It's a very dangerous for human. After that, at the second step is never use equipment with frayed cord, damaged insulation or broken plug. As you know, the scientists create the wire with the insulation outside of the wire. And if you know, in the wire it has a many tiny cuprum in this wire. And the cuprum is conductivity of the wire, of the electrical. And to avoid the short of the electric insulation, use rubber or plastic to avoid the electric. This is a insulation. Okay, the third is if you are working on any receptacle at your home, then always turn off the main. It is also a good idea to put up a sign on the service panel so that nobody turns the main switch on by accident. If you want to make the electrical things, to repairing any electrical things, at the first step, you must turn off the main of electric. For example, at your home, you want to repair the plug, make sure at the first step, you must turn off the main electricity in your house. For example, to avoid the shocking electricity at the family member.
The fourth step is always use insulated tools while working. And the fifth step is always being observant of such sign and follow the safety rules established by electrical code followed by the country you are in. The sixth step is always use appropriate insulated rubber glove and goggles while working on any branch circuit or any other electrical circuit. Thank you.
Okay, that's all from me. I hope you take the knowledge of the 10th step to fix the plug, tripping, and the safety precaution. That's all from me. Thank you.